Y'all niggas know what it is, man. G-Unit South. Huh? Fuck, I pulled through, I see niggas. Fix your motherfucking face, nigga. Look at these fucking chimpanzees. Bunch of fucking monkeys. Huh? You hear me? It's the unit. Yo,
In the beginning, I was humble, just thankful for making it out the jungle. I've never ever said nothing on this mic I didn't want to. I'm a soldier, and soon as 50 give me a mission, I'm on my enemy's territory, then play my position. And homie know me, even that nigga that's wearing your chain. See, we both from the south, but homie, we ain't the same. And I remain in the same fucking project buildings. I got guns everywhere, bullet holes in the ceiling, my adrenaline pumping. Got the 12 gauge dumping out the back of this cutlass. If I get hit up, then fuck it, the reaper coming. So don't look back, just keep running. Tell 50 for this hit, I don't need nothing, you owe me one. Then show me son and where he be at, that's all I need to know. You can go, I'ma be back. Any other time I probably would've asked Banks to ride, but this ain't got nothing to do with G-Unit, nigga. Just you and I.
When I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be walking. Push the whips and me rolling. You can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units the game. I got my crime and shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me. You see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be walking. Push the whips and me rolling. You can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units the game. I got my crime and shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me.
New York, big city of dreams. I got my LA Dodger fitted on. I'm doing my thing. Got me fucking with G-Unit. You know the drama that bring. I got niggas in Westside Compton and Southside Queens. And Buck told me in Cashville I'm good when I come through, so I ain't gotta tuck in my chain like DJ Pooh. I'm gangster, more like Debo when he was Zeus. Play Bishop, I paint that picture. Now who got the juice? You niggas is nuts, so I take off your roof. Leave your ass stretched out like a Cadillac coupe. God gotta let me in heaven. All the shit I've been through. I was a OG in the hood before I turned 22. Homie, I let the 38 special rip through that vest, and I don't contemplate whether or not he left his shit on the dresser. Got Compton on my back. I'm starting to feel the pressure. I'm lyrically Cool G rap on this Drake record.
You should see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be walking. Push the whips and me rolling. You can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units the game. I got my crime and shady with me.